right, so to help us remember rotations, okay? They're gonna give you this little cheat sheet thing right here. Sad part is this little cheat sheet I'm about to go over with you, it's not on your reference sheet for your EOC. This is something you have to memorize, okay? Now, Molly, thanks. Hey, so we're gonna start with X, Y. And then what do you think happens to our coordinates based off of the diagram? Well, yeah.
They turn counterclockwise.
Okay, what would that be? Would that be like YX, negative Y, negative X?
Negative Y.
What is that, Piper?
Negative YX.
Correct.
That's what I said.
No.
But then
That's why I said Piper. I called him Piper. I didn't call him Athena. Alright.
you said it wrong.
Alright, now for 180. For 180, it doesn't say clockwise or counterclockwise. Why is that? It's the same no matter which way you go. Okay? It does not matter. Okay.
Y equals X? Oh, wait.
No.
Wait. No, it's negative Y, negative X. Or negative X, negative Y.
Better. Negative X, negative Y. Because it's the same coordinates, only it's the opposites now.
Yeah.
Because like you see here, this is like the positive quadrant, right? Now here, this is the negative. Okay? Alright. Liam, what do you think the next one is?
Negative X, negative Y. Or no, a negative X, Y.
Kind of.
Negative
Y,
Y.
Y, negative
Y, negative
X.
X.
There you go. You have the right idea. That's what matters. Okay.
Well, why does it matter which order they're? Why do you have to switch?
Because if you don't switch them, then you'll get the wrong thing. Unless you want the wrong answers. Alright, we're gonna try these. Okay? Take number 1. Take number 1. I want triangle ABC. Please graph triangle ABC. Everybody should be graphing triangle ABC. Blake, I need you to write this, please.
Oh, I got it.
My line got straighter. No.
You're graphing the coordinates. Okay.
I don't know how to make it noisy.
You mean like before the PS4?
Wait, what?
Actually, the PS4 came out in the same year.
How did it come out for rings?
It came out. We're rocking.
My little baby like a song.
Shut up! No, it wasn't.
I have Graham. You gotta say good morning, my little baby.
That's not very nice. Go Piper's dog.
I think I saw
Lucas, exactly, Noah.
And Graham
Good morning,
is
Noah.
my friend.
Who I gotta say,
where
hey,
the multiverse somewhere, so all these.
Does Anna call you Liam? Yeah, how about that? Take that, Liam. I said,
Hey, enough. Ben,
That's your mom's big
Go put it away.
for you.
Liam, enough. Hey, so I want you to take a look at our graph, right? Now, I want you to pretend, now I know this is a triangle, right? But we're gonna pretend it's Miss Howell's little shark, okay? This is Miss Howell's little shark, okay? Now, which direction are we rotating this? Counterclockwise. How many degrees?
90.
That's how many turns?
1.
1. So when I turn this, is that a turn? No. What would I do to my shark to turn this?
Has to go here.
So he has to go like that?
Yeah.
Good. Okay. So it should be looking like that. So essentially, you need to take your triangle and turn him like that. All right. Now, one way, this is how Miss Howell visualizes it in her head. So if this makes sense for you, go ahead, use it. If it doesn't, just delete the next 2 minutes out of your brain. Okay. So again, if this works for you, feel free to use it. It's how Miss Howell does it. If it doesn't, that's totally fine. Okay, everybody's brain's different. That's how this works. Okay. Now, I want you to look at my shark. Okay. How long is the shark?
About the length of
Count the squares.
6 something.
8.
6 and 7. I mean 6, 7, or 8.
So we're gonna just count to 8. Okay, and then how tall is the shark?
About 6.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 6. Okay. So it's 8 by 6, correct? So when I turn it, what is it now? 6 by 8. If I turn it again, what would it be? 8 by 6. Correct. The amounts do not change, but the way that it's rotated changes. So what I do, I look at point C. Ms. Howell, I use the grids and I kind of try to like visualize a big rectangle. Like you see how C is it's 4 by 1. Okay. When we rotate it, what is it going to be now? 1 by 4.
That's what I did for
So now it would be like this, right?
It would be. Oh wait. And then the point would be right there.
Uh-huh.
Oh, that helps a lot. I didn't know how to do it.
Good. Okay. So now if you did the same thing with A. So A would be what?
7 by 2.
Okay. Well, right now it's 2 by 7. So you still have to go X, Y. So it's 2 by 7. And when I turn it, now it's going to be
7 by 2.
7 by 2. And that's where my coordinate will be.
1, 2, 8. Wait, did you slip them?
So again, if that clicks in your brain, if that helps you, please use it. If it doesn't, don't worry about it. Okay? Just delete the last like minute and a half, 2 minutes out of your brain, whatever that was. Okay? And then you can do the same thing with B. Okay? B, and if you didn't notice your rectangles, like the coordinates are your dimensions of your rectangles. Okay? So like C was 4 by 1, that's your coordinate. So now B is 6 by 5, right? So when I rotate it, now it's going to be, there you go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Negative 5, 6.
Correct.
So we would just we flip it and times the y by 1.
Yeah.
One.
See? That's what we did.
Cool.
Huh?
Flip it times the y by 1.
By negative. That's what Noah was saying. So 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm not even gonna ask.
What? You don't like my song?
Slightly concerned? But okay.
You know what? I like your song. Thanks.
Okay. Alright.
No, he only turns it on for trick shots.
Now the coordinates should be easy. What's A prime at? Negative 7, 2. Good.
Negative 5, 6.
B prime is at?
Negative 5, 6.
Okay.
And then C.
C prime is at?
Negative 1, 4.
There you go. Alright. All right, let's try another one. This will probably be the last one we do for today, just for time's sake. And then we'll work on more tomorrow. And we're just gonna keep practicing. Number 2, I need a square. Please graph the square.
What do I do after? Because I
Huh?
was like ahead, you know?
You're good. So now we're doing the next one. So we're graphing this guy.
Yeah.
And then you're gonna rotate him 180 this time.
I forget how to do that. I know it's like something about the same, but I just didn't.
Well, think about, this was 90, right?
Yeah.
How many 90s make 180?
2.
2? So I want 2 turns this time.
Okay.
Why did I put paper?
Graph square. It's a perfect
Wait.
180, would you make them negative?
This is why no one has to do it. Solve. You said four.
You.
Leo.
Leo.
Leo. The end of Leo. But, okay, I know that now.
Liam,
I'm saying your name.
Athena. I know. Can we explain later or at lunch, please? I just want 5 more minutes. That's all. Okay. Okay. Now, when it says 180 degrees, does it specify clockwise or counterclockwise?
No.
No. But we know 180 was how many 90s? 2. So no matter what, you should be turning 2 times. Now, can everybody look up at the board, please? Okay. All right. If the rectangle thing doesn't work for your brain, okay, if you can't turn it that way, here's an idea. Take your paper and turn it. So if I'm going to turn 180, that was 2 turns, right?
Yeah.
So I'm going to turn it 1 time, right? And it started up here, and I'm going to turn it 2 times.
Oh, so now you do the same thing.
So now it should be here, right? So this gives you kind of an idea. When I'm all done, when I turn my paper back the right way, it should be on the bottom left, correct?
Yeah.
And it should match this. Okay? Now, I understand. So let's see. We're saying it's easier, right? To turn your paper. Is your EOC at the end of the year, is it on paper? No. Okay. You would have to graph it on your graph paper because they will give you graph paper. And then you could turn it. Or you can turn your laptop, but I would be worried if you dropped it because, you know, if you break it, then you can't do your EOC, and then that's just not fun. Okay? So, whichever way works for your brain. So again, Miss Howell, the rectangle thing works for me, or you can turn your paper. All right, and we all said it should be in the bottom left, right? Okay. So you're essentially following the exact same thing we just did here, graphing the original. If it's 1 by 2, now it should be the same thing, 1 by 2. Only it's in the bottom left. Okay, you're following the same coordinate rule.
Oh.
So P was at 2 and 6, but we know it's got to be down here. So we're just gonna go 2 by 6. So P should be like that.
Do the R and the X.
So R should be at 5 and 1.
Wait, oh, I did it.
And don't forget your prime notation, please. And then, let's see, who did I miss? Oh, I missed Q. And Q should be at 6 and 5. But again, it should be in the bottom left.
So the
Never mind. Do we understand how to graph it?
oh yeah.
Okay. I just want to make sure we understood how to graph it. That's the one thing Ms. Howell wants us to be able to do today.
So wait, it's the same thing like you like that box thing that you
Yep.
did?
So if we start here. It's 1 by 2, and then we turn it, and it'd be 2 by 1. I'm turning again. Now it's 1 by 2. So it ends up back with the original.
So every 180, it's the same thing.
Yep, every 180. So every 2 turns.
And doesn't matter the shape, if that's the same rule.
Yep, same rule. Okay. Huh? That's fine. All right, let's see. P prime. Where's P prime at? -2, -6. What about R prime? Okay, Blake, we have this, correct? Okay, Logan, we have this. Okay, Q prime.
-6, -5.
Good. And then S prime.
-1, -2.
All right. All right, now again, we are going to work on the rest of these tomorrow.